13 best vegetables that can detox and cleanse your lungs naturally. We frequently take lungs for granted, unless we start suffering from breathing problems. And that's the reason approximately 37 million Americans live with chronic lung disease. If you're worried about your lungs' health and want to repair any damage that you may have done over the years with smoking or managing an existing lung condition, here is good news for you. You can cleanse your lungs by eating vegetables. To make things easy for you, we prepared a list of the 13 best vegetables that can help you to detox your lungs naturally, as it has become essential in today's time, especially in this COVID pandemic. Number 1. Red cabbage. Not only can red cabbage make your salad more vibrant, but it's also great for your lungs. Anthocyanin, a compound responsible for the color of cabbage, is also a powerful antioxidant. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition states that higher dietary anthocyanin intake is associated with a reduced risk of age-related lung diseases. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties cleanse the lungs from toxins and protect them from further damage. You can add it in soups, salads, stews, and enjoy it raw or cooked according to your taste to get these healthful benefits. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 2. Carrots. Want to have healthy lungs? Well, then load up on carrots. They are rich in vitamin A, C, and lycopene, nutrients necessary for strong lungs. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition Research and Practice shows that drinking carrot juice prevents damage to the lungs of smokers and reduces the risk of lung cancer. It is due to the antioxidative property of carrots. You can eat them raw, boiled, roasted, or steamed. They are delicious in every way. But if you want to get maximum benefits, go with boiling or steaming. Number 3. Swiss chard. If you did not eat greens as a kid, it is not too late to start eating them now. This dark green leafy vegetable is extremely high in magnesium, a mineral known for protecting against inflammation. Regularly eating Swiss chard would allow the tiny airways inside the lungs to relax and prevent air restriction. A little confused about how to add it to your diet? You can use its leaves as a wrap, or add in omelets, sandwiches, soup, or salads. Number 4. Beetroot. These purple-colored vegetables are full of nitrates, which relax the blood vessels of the lungs and improve breathing. A study published in the Journal of Cardiac Failure states that drinking beetroot juice reduces the lungs' arterial hypertension. Other nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, carotenoids in beetroot prevent the harmful oxidation process and enhance the function of the lungs. Try adding beetroot in your salads or smoothies. It will give them a natural, lively color and an earthy flavor. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic, with its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties, can protect your lungs against oxidative stress. Allicin, a compound in garlic, reduces inflammation and kills any infection that clogs the lungs. According to a study published in the American Association for Cancer Research, raw garlic consumption can reduce the risk of lung cancer. You can add it while preparing meals, salads, smoothies, or tea. It gives a unique taste and nutritious value to the food. Number 6. Onions. Onions, one of the most common vegetables, can do wonders when it comes to pulmonary health. Sulfur compounds in onions detoxify the lungs and protect them against oxidative damage. Quercetin in onions eliminates free radicals from the body, reduces inflammation, and protects the bronchial tubes and linings of the lungs from damage caused by air pollution. According to American Association for Cancer Research, onions can reduce the risk of lung cancer by decreasing the bioactivation of carcinogens. Try adding them to omelets, sandwiches, soups, and salads. It will give a crispy texture and unique flavor to the food. Number 7. Kale. Kale, a dark green leafy vegetable, is the most effective vegetable to cleanse the lungs. Being high in chlorophyll content, it helps to detoxify the blood and heavy metals from the body, and protect the lungs from damage and inflammation. High magnesium and potassium content in it also promotes pulmonary health. Studies indicate that diet containing cruciferous vegetables like kale can reduce the risk of lung cancer. The best way to add it to your daily diet is to mix it with your favorite ingredients and prepare a smoothie. Number 8. Broccoli. You may be surprised to know that a green vegetable that you probably gag on as a kid is great for your pulmonary health. Isothiocyanates in broccoli have cancer-modulating effect and reduce the chances of lung cancer in smokers. Sulforaphane, another compound found in broccoli, protects against the damage caused by toxins and helps to heal the lungs. Research by the National Institute of Health, NIH, shows that compounds in broccoli can combat chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Try roasting or steaming them, or eat them raw with your favorite dip to get these benefits. Number 9. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is full of healthy nutrients that can detoxify the lungs and reduce the chances of pulmonary diseases. Being rich in glucosinolates, it protects against pulmonary cancer and restores the health of the lungs. Vitamin C and other antioxidants in cauliflower neutralize the free radicals and remove toxic compounds and carcinogens from the lungs. You can add it to soups, salads, or roast it and enjoy it with your favorite dip. Number 10. Bok choy. Bok choy or pak choy is Chinese cabbage, and like other cruciferous vegetables, it is highly nutritious. It is full of vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, and folate. They help prevent free radicals from damaging pulmonary cells. Sulforaphane reduces inflammation and heals the lungs. It is also full of fiber. Studies indicate that eating a diet rich in dietary fiber reduces the risk of lung cancer. Number 11. Bell peppers. They contain a good amount of vitamin C, carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, nutrients known for their antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties. They reduce toxins in the body, inhibit oxidation, and prevent inflammation of pulmonary tissues and airways. One medium bell pepper contains 94.7 milligrams of vitamin C. That's approximately 105% of the daily recommended amount. A study published in the Journal of the Royal Society of Medicine indicates that vitamin C keeps lung health and reduces the risk of lung infections. Number 12. Tomato. Tomatoes are one of the richest dietary sources of lycopene, a carotenoid antioxidant, linked with improved lung health. Other nutrients in tomatoes like potassium, B vitamins, vitamin E also aid in reducing inflammation and protecting the pulmonary cells against damage caused by toxins and free radicals. A study published in the European Respiratory Journal shows that consuming tomatoes and tomato-based products delays lung function decline in adults, especially ex-smokers. Make them part of your salad, slice them and add into your sandwich, or prepare a red tomato juice for yourself to add to your daily diet. Number 13. Pumpkin. The vibrant orange flesh of a pumpkin is full of lung-friendly plant compounds. The orange color is not just for the look. It indicates the presence of lots of beta-carotene and carotenoids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties that heal the lungs. Research shows that intake of beta-carotene-rich foods can enhance pulmonary function. It also contains a good amount of fiber and potassium, which further boost the lungs' health. Try adding it to your baking recipes, soups, smoothies, and pasta to get these lung-friendly benefits. Lungs are one of the most vital organs for survival, and it is essential to take good care of them by detoxifying and cleansing them often. It is crucial to understand that our diet plays a primary role in pulmonary health. Healthy eating can naturally cleanse your system and reduce your chances of lung disease. Make sure to add these vegetables to your diet to make your lungs happy and healthy. Will you start eating these vegetables after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!